Welcome to the SOJOSVISION here.
You finna go now? Why here smells?
Hi guys, subscribe.
Hi y'all, it's your girl Tishani. Welcome back to my channel. As you guys see down in the title below, what I will be doing for you guys today is trying on some sunglasses, and they're from SOJOSVISION. So guys, they are a store on Amazon, right? They sell sunglasses and they are one of the top brands on Amazon. So if y'all are looking for some sunglasses, there is where y'all should go. So the link to these items will be down in the description below. Yes guys, so check them out. I received 4 sunglasses and I'm going to try them on and now let y'all see, and y'all tell me which one is your fave, and y'all tell me which one is your fave and what are they giving. Okay, so see, one, I've opened this one already. So 2 3 4. Okay, so let's see what this one is giving. So this is a SOJOS retro oval 7 gold RD green lens, and I just told them to send what they think I would like, so I didn't really pick these to know what I received. Okay, so see, this is to clean it. So you get a SOJOS thing right here, and this is what you use to clean it, I'm assuming. Whoa, so this is what you can put your glasses in. I love how they brand it, SOJOS, and this is what you use to clean. And you see, professional, this is very big. Yes, they can clean the glass, and this is the glasses. So let's go. Ooh, nice. Rich anti vibes. Let's go. Ooh, let's pull down this Cinderella and see what's what. So this one is given. It's super cute. It's super cute, y'all. It's super cute. And you know, you just use this and clean your glasses because no dirty glasses around here. And if you're going out, you can just put your glasses in this bag like this and then do like this, bam, and lock it up. So I love these glasses. This is cute. Let's see what the others are giving. So I will open it up again. So let's open it. So this is a trendy folder, gold, some number in gold, but the link to these items will be down in the description below. So y'all don't gotta worry, y'all will see them. Okay, yeah. Okay, so let's see. This one is giving. It's giving what it's supposed to give. I love this one. This is cute. You feel me? Yeah, this is nice, guys. All of them on here are cute. It's giving. And remember, it comes with this. Yes. And it also comes with like a manual thing. This is a maintenance. So just maintenance, how to maintain the glasses, how to clean it, and so forth. Good job, y'all. Good job, y'all are giving, like, kudos to y'all. Okay, next one. I have 2 more to go. Let's see what this one is giving. This is a SOJOS small retro black gray. So it's a black gray one. So let's see. Okay, y'all, this one is giving. This is cute. Y'all can see me in there, and it's so clean. Like, look at that. This is cute. It's clean. It's giving. It's right here, y'all. This is the last one. Let's go. And oh my god, I really needed some new glasses. Well, I always wear my glasses, but I have like glasses collection, and I wanted some more. So yes. Wait, what's the name of this one? Alright, so this one is called, it's a croissant au style demi or brie. So let's see what this one is giving. Yeah. Okay. Nice. It's giving like perfect. I'm gonna try on that. Yeah. So we got nut, guys. Remember, go follow them on Instagram. Their handle is right here. So follow them on Instagram and support them on Amazon. So y'all can get these glasses on Amazon. The links will be down in the description below. And thank y'all so much for watching this video. Yes. Bye.